I would like to remind my brother Pawan Kalyan. We have a Telangana OG KCR. ఇక్కడ మా కేసీఆర్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఆయన చాలు మాకు. He will take care of us. He will take care of the state and our issues.
BJP is not a regional party.
I don't know how national parties behave.
इसका मतलब बीजेपी के एजेंट सीधे से पता हो जाता है.
Sir, as on today, I think a recent, because I don't know how national parties behave. Maybe each state, national party has its own agenda for each state. I think in Telangana, many times I had supported them. We went with an alliance. I think recently, this is not from the national leadership, but definitely from the Telangana BJP leadership. They said they wanted to go solo, which had been conveyed through media only I got to know. I think our leaders, they wanted to contest. In fact, many times for GHMC election, even last time also, our Bharatiya Janata Party leaders, Telangana leaders had requested me to withdraw the nominations by our leaders, and I requested the Janasena leaders. They withdrew. I think this time they'll go ahead.
Whether the BJP will associate with the Pawan Kalyan, there will be alliance in seat adjustments during assembly elections. It's a far away question. It's under 2.5 years. They is there for Telangana assembly elections and 3 years for union parliament elections. And let us wait what will happen. And BJP is not a regional party. The national party will take the decision whether to go with any political party, not exactly one party or two parties. And during parliament elections in Tamil Nadu, there was no alliance with the AIDMK. And during assembly elections, we associated with the AIDMK. And such political developments will be taken into account by national party. And national party will decide with whom the party should go. Ours is a national party, and they have a efficient leadership in the Delhi to take the appropriate decision, appropriate time.
బోర్డ్ చైర్మన్ తెలంగాణ ఇక్కడ తెలంగాణ
I think financially, everyone saying that financially has become strong after becoming deputy CM in Andhra Pradesh. Now I think next time he has a fear that he might lose in Andhra Pradesh, so he wants to come to Telangana. He already met Amit Shah recently, so we think that this is a plan of Amit Shah and Modi, and they are behind Pawan Kalyan.
Sir, and also said he is contesting in upcoming elections.
No, I want to know whether he wants to contest from Telangana or from Andhra Pradesh. If he wants to contest from Telangana, no doubt he wants to cheat Andhra Pradesh now, Andhra people. So let him to contest, because first of all, where his vote is, whether it is in Andhra Pradesh. See, if you are MP, you can go to other state and you can contest. If you want to become an MLA, your vote should be there in that particular state. So I think he wants to change his vote from Andhra to Telangana. Let him change.
इसका मतलब बीजेपी के एजेंट सीधे से पता हो जाता है. सीधे से बोलना चाहिए. क्यों आपने कारपोरेट इलेक्शन लड़ा नहीं है? पिछले 3 इलेक्शन हुआ है. तेलंगाना आने के बाद लोकल बॉडी इलेक्शन हुआ है. क्यों पवन कल्याण साहब वहाँ पे इलेक्शन लड़ा नहीं है? आज को रातें रात जाके तेलंगाना में तनाव पैदा करने का कोशिश किया जाता है. वहाँ पे कांग्रेस हुकूमत है. बीजेपी वाले ने इसको साजिश बना को तेलंगाना में जाके बीजेपी एजेंट बनाने का कोशिश में काम में आज संकल्प यात्रा, ये संकल्प यात्रा क्या है समझ में नहीं आया है. बीजेपी और कांग्रेस वहाँ पे है सब BRS सारे पार्टियाँ आज फाउंडेशन तेलंगाना फाउंडेशन डे मनाते इस दिन संकल्प यात्रा के नाम पे एक तनाव पैदा करने का काम किया जाता है. और उसके अलावा भी अगर ये कुछ दम है तो लड़ो, कौन मना कर रहा है?
So BJP is a most deep-rooted party in Telangana. There is Janasena's support is not needed for an initiative is not needed for BJP. BJP does not need Telangana because it's so deep-rooted party, so committed cadre is there. I think they're least dependent on Janasena. That's what I think. This is about, you have to understand, I individually, in politics since 2007. So I have a very strong cadre here. Extensively traveled around length and breadth of Telangana. I know the spirit of Telangana. And before it was a unified state, Telangana was my core strength when compared to AP. And entire leadership, whoever is for Janasena today, were groomed by me in 2007 onwards.